how to print int with string in Python. So we're talking where we have int age equals 5 and a string s where you're wanting to say your age. You could just do s equals I am 5 years old. That technically works, but only for a year until your birthday. Then you'd still be 5 because it's simply text. It wouldn't update as the variable updates. If you wanted your string to update as age updates, you could do something like s equals I am with a trailing space plus convert the age to a string plus leading space years old. And if you print this and run the code, it works, but it should feel dirty and naughty to you. Python has a feature called fstrings where you can make this code feel much better. S equals fstring I am curly braces age years old, where the f in front means the string is an f string and the value you put in the curly braces will be literally put into the string. If we print s and run this code, you'll see I am 5 years old. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.